Good afternoon or morning or evening YouTube, how you doing? Right, update time. I'll show you what I've done. First of all is another eBay buy. This is two, I believe them to be Lima class 20s. One, I don't know, they're slightly different bodies. One's got wires for handrails, one's got moulded plastic for handrails. But they were in a shoddy state. They've been wired together with a piece of solid cable, a piece of solid wire to hold them solid, and then that piece of wire is what they've done is they've made this whole train, this locomotive, positive, all four wheels, and this locomotive, negative, all four wheels. I say four, there's 8 there obviously, but the electronic acute of you, the clever ones, will know that it's positive one side, negative the other. So this loco picks up one rail, this loco picks up the other rail, which means when you get to points, not those because they're quite good, let's have a look around the layout, find some old points. Right, try not to make you dizzy. These. So when you get to insel frogs, old ones with big bits of plastic, then what actually happens is, because you've got one bogie here and one bogie here, when it passes over there you've always got one wheel that's on the rail, so it never loses connectivity, which it did do when it was previously wired originally from the factory, where the front bogie would be positive and the back bogie would be negative, or vice versa. When one bogie sat on here, that's enough for 2 wheels, so that would just kill it dead. So well done to them for doing that, whoever it was. Right, well, let's show you this now. It's stable. It was a bit of a bad image in the other video, so let's do this nice and stable now. I'm feeling a bit more on it. Wrong way. So there's my Flying Scotsman. There we go. Lovely, beautiful model with real coal. There's my Devon Air Ambulance. And that is my Hornby 9F Evening Star, as seen in my previous National Railway Museum video. And these are my Pullman parlour cars. Various different shades. Very nice, very nice. Now let's show you some layout progress. I won't spin this around too quickly. Right, how quick you can zoom out. Wrong way, that way. Oh, there we go, YouTube. Right, so this piece has come out all the way along to here we'd seen the other day, but I've since done this bit. So where my crane was has now gone. That's the camera tripod. Don't panic, not being invaded by aliens. And then cut all the way out down to here, and then the big board that was here, that's all now been moved and gone. So the station now looks like a dodgy Devon cliff that's been eroded, and that's all clear now all the way up to there. My big pile of bushes. Right, so what I thought I would do now is I have disconnected all the cabling, so all the wires have now been disconnected. There we go. Just for all my lights, can you see that? Not really, there we go. So they've all been disconnected. It's all a lot simpler under there now. That lens needs a clean, doesn't it? Right, so what I'm going to do, I thought, is I would take this lot up, but I would do it on video so you can watch it happen, so you can see the change. So we've got all these little lampposts come out, which I'm hoping, because I only use PVA, yeah, so that's good, so they just pop out bit sturdy. So if we just wiggle it around the bottom. I was careful, hopefully, not to put any glue in the hole because I didn't want to glue the wires. This one's a little bit more stubborn than the others. It doesn't matter if it does break because I'm going to get LED ones. These little grain of wheat bulb things are fine, but to wire them's a nightmare. Right, let's try that cable. That's clear underneath, so let's have a little look-see, see if there's anything that's holding it in particularly. Clear that side. So, it's that little bit there. Just glue. Right, we need to cut that with something. Right, we just gave it a little prize with this. And there we go. He's out. There's two. So start then. Here, this one. Right. This one over here. Nice and easy. This one. Very easy. Something to be said for not gluing them in too hard. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, let's get the other side done. It's going to be very interesting lifting this up. One thing I have noticed, it's a reverse effect. So when you're building your model railway and you see it come to life, when you're taking it to pieces, you get to see bits of wood and all the colour disappears. It's very interesting. That one's done. This one. This one. There we go. Oh, look at this, we're going great guns. Again, these lights, they're okay, but LED's the way to go. These, the little things, what they're called, lampshades. Focus. Go on, you can do it. Won't focus. I'll go back a bit. There you are. That's it. So those lampshades, they fall off. I think it's because they get warm. Beautiful. Right. So, station lampless. So now it needs to come up. So, do we run a few trains before we start making them? Yeah, let's run a few trains through the station before it ends. Alright. we go. This is the final train making its final stop. And that's it. The last train ever on this line. Bye bye train. That's it. Done. Right, park them up safely. Now then. Look at that. Faultless editing. Right. Let's go. Can you see? Do we need to be a bit closer? How's that? Right. Let it focus. Get my ugly mush in. Eee. Right then. So we go. So now we get to see how well I stuck it down. Did I glue it down really well, or did I just not bother? So let's have a look. See. Lifting. Work the camera. Can you see? There we go. Right. So lift. There we go. 1, 2. Let's lift that up. I've got stuff stuck to the other side. There for now. Stuck together. Right. One side down. Well, are we realistically going to keep that length for replacing the brickwork on the front? I think it's easier to break it up. Right. There we go. Right, I think we'll get the Hoover on that. Vacuum, if you're listening in the States. Right, let's pause this, suck it up, closer inspection. There we go, done. Looks strange without a station on it. Here's the station. Yay! Look at that, all in pieces on the floor. Who'd have thought it? There we go. Right, now I've got to get the trackwork up. So that's that piece. All this middle bit. All the way around here. Take that signal out. All the way around. All the way around. these two. Now, I think what I'll do, I'll just cut them there, because I'm not getting this up. As good as this is to do, and I will do it again because it's really good effect for a level crossing, but they don't come up very easy. And then I'll remove these two trains, and then I've got to go all the way around here and take all that up, and then all this yard here. Once I've done the yard, I can take this angled piece out, and then it will run straight from there all the way. Take that corner out because that's at an angle, and that's it for the middle bit, and then I have to start on everything outside. So take down that wall, wind the can of cider. There seems to be holes on the drink this by. Take that wall down. Oh, we could have a go at that now actually, just to see what's behind it. What's it like? Oh, it's fair solid. Oh, oh, oh. This bit's not. Can't remember what I did with it. Did I tack it on? Did I glue it down? So, it's a bit solid. It's going to need some leverage. Right, well, let's have a go at doing this. Should we have a look? Do you want to watch? Yeah, let's have a go, see what it looks like. Okay, I'll put you back up on the stand and you can watch. Right, tools. Where are we? Aha! Right, we're here. Okay. Might have to trip over my Hoover. Right, what I'm doing is I'm just running down the outside of the track lightly with this small screwdriver. This green board is actually quite good. I don't know what it is. It's a type of fibre board. It's like Sundia but not. It's a bit cheaper. I think it's underlay. But it's really good because stuff doesn't stick to it. It sticks it a little bit, but enough for model railway, but a perfect amount for dismantling it. Look at that. Just a few pins. And we're ready. See? No effort at all. This bit here. I don't even need to take this stuff off the side. Pick ends up. Done. Crossovers. Done. I'm up this end. Yeah. Alright, turn you a little bit. Oi! Ceiling! Where am I? I'm there. Oh, trying to do this tripod while it's up on here is very difficult. There. I'm there. So I put you there and it'll zoom me out a bit. There you go, you see what I'm doing. Be no good on TV, would I? Right, and working to camera. That was out. Pull this up. Obviously, be mindful. Yeah, track pin's still sticking out the back. Bit sharpish on the old fingers.